Here's a good question where you're asked to model this data and in a quadratic function. And I wondered, there's a couple mistakes that people make, and one of them is sort of my fault, that this 2 up there, it should be squared. So it should be y1 tilde a and then x1 minus h squared plus k. So it should be squared. And that might have thrown your numbers off a little bit. The other thing that happens is, let me get into this graph. Sometimes the x1 and the y1 at the top are x2, y2. Like if I think I can go in and change those. If I put a 2 there, and then over on this one I put a 2, then notice there's no graph there. And down here on my function, it's referencing y1 and x1, but there is no x2 or x1 or y1. So if you have x2, y2 there, and it just happens if you make another table, like if I make another table here, add another table, it uses a number that you haven't used yet. I'll just put a number in there. And then maybe make another table. And see, now it changed to x3, y3. So if I do any function based on that table, I've got to use x3, y3. So this one that I have here is all messed up. But if I go in and change this and say I want to use the values for y2 and x2, then my function, it looks better. Okay. Hopefully that helps you with that question. I think everything else was right. So if you've referenced the right x1, y1, then your function will be y is equal to a is 0.0013, and then bracket x minus 72, call it 73, squared, plus k is 9.2, call it. So this would be your speed, and then this would be your mileage. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that.